today I'm going to show you how to make the designer's choice die set. It makes a pretty little Valentine's box, and there's like 3 sizes. There's a hexagon, a square and a triangle, and it all comes with like mats and layers you can use in it as well. These dies are only available for a short while, for 1 month, and then another set comes out. So there's the ones for the mats and layers, and then you've got your detail one to go on top, and you've got those for each one as well. For this project I've used these sheets of card, which is brick red, a classic card, brown craft card, I think this one's cream ivory white, sorry, blinking cream, and denim blue. So what you do is you cut 3 of your shapes. I'm going to make the triangle box. You cut 3 of your base shapes for the triangle and 3 for the lid. And this time I've decided to mount onto the card instead of cutting into my card. I've mat and layered, so I can lay it on the top, and just put some foam on the back so they stand out a little bit. Not too high, just a little bit, because you can get different depths of foam. And then you need 3 for the lid, 3 of these for when you're going to be placing them on, which I've already prepared in before, and then 3 of these for the lid as well. So I've got 1 more to do for the lid, and we'll glue that together now, give it time to dry together. And it's quite easy because you've got like a little line to go up as well. I'll just blob mine on just a little bit, don't need too much. Anywhere where there's a solid place I just put a bit of glue, and they do stick quite, they don't raise up or anything. That's it, and I'll just put that one onto there. Give it a good press, and then you see where this piece is here. Where did that get underneath there? I'll get that out in a minute. See where that piece is there? I've actually used the brick red to cut out a little piece there with your detail die, and I've cut out, and I've just saved the little die cuts from inside, and then I'm going to fill in with the little heart there. So just put a little bit of glue. No, sorry, need to put my glasses on again. And just pick it up and place it in this paper piece back in. Like so. So leave that one to dry a little bit, because the others should be already dry. That's better. I've put my tape on the wrong side, but it'll come in useful. I've just covered it back up again. And then when you've finished, you can put another triangle on the bottom so you can hide up all your workings. just bring that up to there. And I've taken all the red line a bit off. Place that one up on that side as well. And then place this one along here. And then you can take your side pieces off. You see where I've put the red liner tape on the wrong place. That's if any of you have ever made other tonic boxes, it's more or less the same sort of way to construct, because they bought out lots of other boxes, didn't they? Kaleidoscope boxes, and this is all you're doing really, is building your panels up. That's it. That probably won't stick down there properly because I haven't taken the rest of the liner tape off. So now I'm going to take the backing off of these. Just get my pokey tool and just take those off. I think it's easier to take those off. I haven't got any nails either, so I won't be able to get the nail underneath and take it off. That's it. Quite quick. They're quick to put together. Once you've die cut all out, I think the die cut, doing all the die cutting is the longest bit, and deciding what sort of papers you're going to use. And sometimes you cut things out and then they don't always, you think, oh, that don't go together. Right, now the base, it's the same for doing the lid as well, and what's nice is they got like a little slit in there for the oval, the semicircle piece to go through. So let's put this together. Put my pokey tool down before I stab myself with it. Just line everything up. That's it. Take that one off. It's the first time I've made a triangle one. So I've made like the hexagon ones. Just bring that up to that crease line there. So you have all your score lines on them as well, just like any other box really. And then you can take off these red liner bits here. Again, you don't have to use red liner tape, you can use wet glue if you prefer. And the thing is with this carrier sheet, it gets everywhere. You think you've got there, oh, there's a piece, you think you've got rid of it and it's still there. more fingers and thumbs. Right, that's it, done it. Just put those down on themselves. That's it. And then you get like a little triangle piece to go on top. That fits on there. And then I die cut myself another bit. I thought I'd put a piece of blue on the top. And I've embossed a little, there's a little die in there that embosses, or when you turn it up the other way, debosses. It's up to you which way you do it. Can't really see that well. That's that one done. Right. And now all we need to do is just take the sticky off of these. So I've put foam on the back of these as well. Not the same, not very thick, just the same as on the hearts. That's it. And these go down in between those like that. Let's just push that together and make sure it's tight. I think what I might do is take the backs off of the other one as well. Take this off of here. That's it, I won't end up stabbing myself now. Right, and then you can stick these ones on. And then that one on. And that's it. That's your triangle box done. And then you just this is the only bit what is a little bit fiddly. You might have to do a little jiggery pokery just to get them on. Let's put that one in. So that's it. There you go. That's that one done. I've made this one as well. It's the same. I quite like the ones with the birds on. You get other detail dies in there as well, but I do like that one, and that heart, and where you can. This one's been cut into the card, and then another layer of card laid behind, and all the little bits and pieces that come out of your dies I've saved, and I've put them back onto the box, which is because even in there they're like little hearts, so I would save all those if I was you, and then you can decorate your boxes with it. I've made a card as well. That was like a topper from my stash, and that is one of the hearts. Here again I've used like the hearts from out of the details and just put 3 hearts down, and I've made another white one as well, but this was a bit fiddly to put together as well. So, but I do like this card from Tonic, I must say. And that's it. I hope that gives a little bit of detail about how to put them together, because I know some people were saying that they didn't know where to start. Maybe it's because they hadn't had a die for making boxes before, but roughly once you know how to do one, you can know within a little how to do them all, really. I hope that makes some sense, and enjoy your dies.